Hello everyone and welcome to another fantastic video on Curvy Model YouTube channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing while giving this video a thumbs up to stay updated with more curvy models from around the globe. In today's spotlight, we have the pleasure of introducing the stunning Tamires Ramos Silva. Tamires Ramos is a Brazilian plus-size curvy fashion model, video creator, fashion enthusiast, beautician, social media influencer, and Instagram star. She gained popularity by posting eye-catching and sizzling curvy photos and videos on her social media sites. Tamires Ramos was born and raised in Brazil with her family. She is known for her work in promoting body positivity and diversity in the fashion industry. She has gained recognition for modeling campaigns and collaborations with various brands that celebrate inclusivity. Tamires Ramos is bold and well appreciated by her fans. Her presence in the modeling world serves as an inspiration for many individuals who seek to embrace their natural bodies and feel represented in the fashion and beauty industries. She is about 100 kg of weight and her bust size is 42 inches. She is currently engaged and has $600K of net worth. Thanks for watching the video. If you love what you see in this video, be sure to show your support by leaving a like and subscribe. We appreciate for your love and support. Have a beautiful day.